Hi guys, welcome to Gabriel Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make cool intros using Filmora. It's very easy to use and it's good to add intros to your videos to make it more specific and to make it more cool on your videos. Now here's the application Filmora. If you don't have, don't worry, I'm going to put the link of the Filmora where you can download it. I'll put it in the description. Also there are some informations you may need that I'll put in the description. Now here's the application Wondershare Filmora. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on the full feature mode. Yeah. Okay, here's the application, the software. Here's the Filmora. So now I'm going to go to sample colors. You can choose any color you want. You can choose black, you can choose blue, choose gradient 2, gradient 3, gradient 4. Also you can choose gradient 5, gradient 6, gradient 7, okay, you can choose gray color, orange color, red color, white color, but I prefer the black color. You can use any color. It depends on what your channel, what your channel color is, or it depends on the color you love or you like. So after that, yeah, let's take a preview of it. It's showing me black now. It's okay. I'm gonna drag this thing back. Now I'm gonna go to the test credits. There's the test credit here. I'm gonna click on it. Now you can choose any test credits you want to add. You can choose the red title, the red lower third, but I'm gonna use the modern one, which is easy to use. There's one I like to use for my videos sometimes, but not all the times. I'm gonna click on this plus sign showing me here. I'll just take a preview of it, and this is it, easy to use. So now we're gonna remove this easy to use to my channel name. I'm gonna remove it to my channel name. Don't worry, it's not hard. Just click on this test icon here, and we can change it to my name. I can decide to take the position to anywhere. I can position it anywhere. I can decide to take it here. I can decide to take it here, but it will be better like this. Yeah, it's okay like this. I'm gonna click OK. So let's take a preview of it. Let's say it's okay. This is it now. So that's how you make intros to your videos using Filmora. Also, there are some awesome videos in my channel. Like, I made a video of how to add mobile frames to your videos. Some people do wonder how to add mobile frames to videos. I'm gonna link it in the description. Also, I made a video of how to add green screen effects to your videos using Kinemaster. Also, I will link it to the video. And also, I'm gonna link this Filmora application to your video, to my description. Sorry. Then I also made a video of how to add a sliding test effects in your videos using Kinemaster. It's very easy. Sometimes I use my phone to edit, sometimes I use my system, my laptop to edit. So that's how you add intros to that's how you make intros on Filmora. So please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, like this video. Also, you can suggest any free software or free online that makes intro. You can suggest it in the comment box. If you have any question, you can follow me on Instagram, Gabriel Tech, or if you have any, or you can ask your question in the comment box. There are some information that will be in the description. See you next time. Thank you for watching this video.